If you want to kickstart your YouTube channel with 100 subscribers, then let me show you how me and Jesper did it in just 2 weeks. Now, this isn't our first time growing a YouTube channel. We've grown a couple of channels before, and we've always done so successfully using this very specific method. There are 3 things that you need to know to effectively grow your YouTube channel. Let's start with the first. Number 1, understand the YouTube algorithm. The truth is that the complete YouTube algorithm has never been fully revealed, but Google, who owns YouTube, has given us a couple of very important pointers. By understanding these pointers we've been given, we can use the YouTube algorithm to rank higher for our videos, appear in the recommended tab, and maybe even appear in the trending tab. And while YouTube's algorithm is known to constantly change, which doesn't make this any easier, there are 3 pointers that have always remained the same. And the first is views. And views is, just like it sounds, getting people to actually view your video. So whenever someone clicks on your video, no matter how long or short they watch it, just the fact that they do watch it will count as a view. But simply getting a ton of views on your videos isn't enough to get the YouTube algorithm on your side. The second important point that you need to understand is watch time. And watch time, again, just like it sounds, is about how long people stay to watch your video. So just getting a ton of views is useless unless people are actually staying and watching those videos. But just making longer and longer videos isn't the answer either, because point number 3 is audience retention. And audience retention means how long they are staying to watch that specific video. In other words, how many percentage of that video. So for example, a person that watches 5 minutes out of a 10-minute video has an audience retention of 50%. So that means that just making longer videos isn't enough. You need to have a high audience retention as well. So of course, the question is, what is the sweet spot that we need to aim for when it comes to getting enough views, getting enough watch time, and getting enough audience retention? Well, the truth is, we don't know what the sweet spot is, and no one else knows either. There's a lot of people out there who claims to know, claims to have it, but it's never been truly proven to work. YouTube's goal has always been the same, and we recommend following their guidelines, and that is simply to make as good videos as possible that people enjoy, and you will be rewarded for it. That's exactly what YouTube's algorithm is designed for. So just make as good videos as you possibly can that an audience appreciates, and you will be good to go. Number 2, use TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a YouTube certified tool that allows you to find keywords that you can rank your videos for. Keywords are basically just search terms that people use to find what they're looking for. So whenever someone writes something in the YouTube search, that's known as a search term, and whenever you use a similar word in your video title or video description, that is known as a keyword. But the idea is that the search term and the keywords needs to match so that you always fulfill the intention and the expectation of your audience or what the person is searching for. So by understanding what a lot of people are searching for and making sure that that specific search term doesn't have that much competition, you can satisfy that need with your video specifically, and then by including that keyword in your title and in your description, you can start ranking your videos much more effectively. This is something that's really gonna help you get a lot of views with a high watch time and a high audience retention, because you'll be aiming for the correct audience. Simply go to TubeBuddy.com and then download the application, and then give TubeBuddy access to your YouTube account. I understand your concern if it feels strange giving an application access to your YouTube account. Me and Jesper were skeptical about that too, but honestly, we've been using it for years. A lot of really big YouTubers use it. It's the most safe tool we know, and also it's YouTube certified. We actually paid to use TubeBuddy because we enjoy the extra features. It is a free tool, and you get enough free searches from it every single day, that is gonna satisfy most of your needs anyway. If you need to find about one great YouTube video per day, this is gonna be more than enough for you. So just stick with the free version. Just open the TubeBuddy menu and choose Keyword Explorer. So this is simply where you write in the keywords that you want to see the status for. What you're looking for is a high score, meaning keywords that has low competition but enough searches that you can actually rank for that keyword and start generating views from it. This tool is meant to help you point you in the right direction. So just keep searching for different keywords, use their suggestions, and go on until the barometer lands on the green side. When it lands on the green side, that means that you found something that you actually have a chance to rank for, and you can start generating views over time. Number 3, quantity over quality. So while making valuable videos is the best way to satisfy the YouTube algorithm's need, the truth is that you don't know what people are going to find valuable. And since you don't know what's actually valuable, it becomes much more important for you to focus on quantity over quality. You might recognize this, me and Jesper surely do, but there's nothing worse than spending a ton of time on a single video, release it only to see it get maybe 1, 2, or 3 views, and you know that's probably from your partner and maybe your mom watching it. It's not a great feeling. But getting very few views is the reality of being a small YouTuber. So the truth is that while you need to produce valuable videos, you don't know what others are gonna find valuable, and because of this you need to produce a lot of video and then start seeing patterns. So the best thing you can do is just play the volume game and keep producing videos. Take our channel for example. Me and Jesper really thought that the video we did titled "How We Created a $125,000 Product" would be something that would be super interesting and super popular. But then the statistics came in and reality hit. It really wasn't popular. And on the contrary, the video that we didn't think would be very popular, called "Strategy to Making a Passive Income Online 2021", that actually became really popular, and we earned almost 100 subscribers from that one video alone. So our guesses really didn't amount to much, which is why you need to focus on quantity over quality, because you and we don't know what is actually valuable in our audience's eyes. If you're enjoying getting information like this, I've got great news for you. Down in the description, me and Jesper have got a free 45-minute training where we will show you how you can start your own automated 6-figure income, just like we did and used to quit our jobs in 1 year. We'll give you our entire 10-step system so that even if you're a complete beginner, you can start your own 6-figure automated income. It's down in the description. Click on the link, check it out. I really think you will enjoy it. And of course, if you would rather stay here to hang with me and learn more, you can simply click here and you'll be taken to the next video. So you can click here, or you can go down in the description and take that free training. Or you can click here, or go to the free training, or you can click here, or you can do both. Your decision. See you regardless.